Hey guys, it's CJ and
Cori.
And today we are making something that we've seen like all over the internet and we have got to try it out, right Cori?
Yep.
Uncrustable donuts. The last video we watched was Linja making it, right?
Yeah, Linja.
Of course, we are making our own Uncrustables right here first, and we're gonna make peanut butter and jelly and peanut butter and banana, right? One less piece of bread. All right. Oh, and guys, we have our fryer on in the back. We're not air frying or none of that today. We are deep frying today. So if you don't like that, look away.
Hey guys, it's CJ and Cori. That's right, it's CJ and Cori.
Let's get started. Let's make our Uncrustables first. We have square and circle.
And some bread.
Bread. Let's get it started.
And my favorite, guys. You know I eat all of it, but I can't.
Powdered sugar. Yeah, get them nice and thin. I love peanut butter and banana. One of my faves.
What do you say?
I'm gonna eat that piece. Ha! Ah! And we do not mind using the heels or the butt of the bread, right, Cori?
A butt
Jam!
in my hand.
All in your face.
Now the yellow part.
Get the whole thing and then push the yellow should seal it up for us. All right. I'm totally eating those edges.
Oh wow! Look.
A PB&J.
This is not a donut.
We're gonna fry it.
Oh. Make a face.
That's a big piece. Ooh. Get that. No sandwich pieces gone to waste. We're eating a scrap. Okay, it's a little dark over here. We didn't move the lights, but we're getting ready to fry. I'm a little nervous about this peanut butter one because she is busting at the seams, but we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get it in. I'll flip them in a second. Oh. Look at that, y'all, listen. Super crunchy. I think this is the peanut butter, right? I can't even tell which was square, which was circle. All right, let's add a little bit of extra to them. Oh, this is the peanut butter and jelly one. We're gonna put that right in the cinnamon sugar. Look at that. Ooh, y'all. Turn it into a little donut. Okay, that's the cinnamon sugar. And all right, Cori, you can do the honors of putting a little powdered sugar on the peanut butter banana one. Hold on. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Shake it, baby.
I'll shake it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, Cori, you ready to dig in?
I'm gonna try them.
Should we cut them in half?
No, yes.
Okay. Oh, did you hear that?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, guys, we're about to try these. Are you ready? I'm gonna try the peanut butter and jelly one. You're trying the peanut butter in it. It might be hot still. Let me see. Okay, Cori made a bit of a mess with hers, but y'all, this is pretty good.
Oh man, that's good.
It's good? Okay, let me try this one then. Oh my gosh, Cori broke apart, but I'm gonna try that one too. What do you think?
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy? Yeah, I like this peanut butter banana one. It's like warm peanut butter. Oh my gosh.
I'm getting this a bad down.
You don't like it? You don't like the peanut butter banana one? I like that one.
I don't like this either.
Oh.
I don't like them.
You don't like them? Okay, guys. Cori didn't like these, but I do. You guys have got to try them and let us know which one of us you're with, right? Not your fave hack snack hat?
Going. Not my fave, but you try it.
Not her fave, but y'all try it. I like it. Cori wasn't feeling, I don't know what part it was, but you guys try it and let us know, okay? Peace out, guys.
Bye.